Sébastien Crème. I'm the CTO and the co-founder of Nomalab. Nomalab is a web platform for video professionals. It's a platform where they can upload, view, do the quality check, and deliver their media assets in any formats, anywhere in the world. For Nomalab, the cloud spend is basically the video, the master format of our clients. Our clients are producers, broadcasters, VOD platforms, and we are dealing with the master format of any video. So this is a full quality. So you have video that goes up to 1 terabytes for a movie, for example. So we are dealing with big files. It's not big data. It's big files. We are now gathering more than 1 petabytes of video, and it's growing every day. Our cloud spend is in storing these petabytes of video materials with a guarantee for our clients of security. We are also dealing with the party where we are doing some transformations on the video. We are doing some quality checks, so it's heavy CPU-based instances. For example, we have launched 80K instances last year, so we are a good customer for CPU on Amazon. We choose AWS because of the reliability of the platform. The infrastructure is always up. We never had an incident in 5 years, 6 years now. So it's very secure for us to operate on AWS. And we can monitor the costs. We are also using different kind of storage clays in AWS to really have a low cost for us, but also for our clients, because we are reflecting all the costs we can spare to our business. So when our business model is really growing, when we have a VOD client like Salto in France who have to provide his big catalog in 3 weeks before the launch, we can grow up in 3 weeks, and we can scale for 3 weeks, just for 3 weeks. And when the catalog is okay and the platform is running, we can scale down very easily. And then we can have a business plan with our clients, which is the same. Scale up, scale down. So it's really convenient for our business and for our clients. I would give some advice, because what we have done in the beginning, I think there is something very good. We have started directly with a lot of instances, a lot of deployment in different regions to avoid the single point of failure from the beginning, because it's very easy with AWS to do that. So you have to do that, because when you have not done that and your business is growing in 1 month because all is closed down, for example, when the COVID strikes, you have to think at the beginning that you can scale up very quickly. Because at this moment, you don't want to be down. You don't want your service to be technically not reachable. So that's what you have to think in the beginning. And it's easy to think with AWS infrastructure.
Cost optimization is one of the 5 AWS well-architected framework pillars. The framework provides guidance to help you build and deploy applications faster, lower risk, and make informed decisions. You can experience it through hands-on lab or answer questions with the tool directly in your AWS console. Track your spending with tools such as Cost Explorer and Budgets. Look for optimization suggestions with Cost Optimizer. Typical optimizations we see: use of serverless for event processing instead of cron tasks. Use of appropriate storage options with lower pricing for cold data. Use of AWS unused compute capacities, named Spot, for up to 90% savings. Simply turning off dev and QA environments at night and during weekends. Or use of financial optimizations with saving plans. for up to 72% savings on EC2, or reserved instance for up to 69% savings on RDS. Saving plans and reserved instance provide cost reduction in exchange for your commitment. You will identify several means. Prioritize by selecting what you can achieve the quickest with the highest impact. AWS breadth of services and pricing options enables you to take control and continuously optimize your spendings and still keep the performance and capacity your business requires. AWS is committing to helping you achieve the highest saving potential. First, by making periodic price reductions, more than 100 since the beginning. Second, with dedicated people such as the AWS startup team. It is part of our customer obsession DNA. We have assembled a set of best practices and tips into an online cookbook. Please visit it or engage with us if you require further help.